electric dryer. It's not heating. In all other regards, it works just fine. It just isn't heating up the clothes. And so we're going to take it apart and see what's going on. First step is I'm going to unplug it. It's just a few screws to remove the back panel. Since everything else is working properly, just the heater's a problem. I think it's one of two things. It's either this fuse that senses overheating, or it's the heating element itself. I'm just going to do a simple ohm test to see if we have continuity. That's one. If it's continuity, it basically goes to 0. If the fuse is blown, there's no continuity. Okay, so the fuse is fine. Plenty of continuity. So I think it's the heating element. Let's test that. Okay, so I'm looking for continuity again. That's good. The heat, there's no continuity on the heating element. This goes into the heating element on one side, this comes out on the other side. It's not working. So let's take this heating element off. Let's just test this again before we order one. No continuity. No continuity. So somewhere in here, the one of these coils probably in the back is broken. Here's where it's broken right here. So that's the problem. I decided to try and fix this rather than wait for a new one to come in the mail. Looks like somehow this was maybe damaged by impact because this insulator is just broken right off. So I'm going to try to reattach these two like this with a connector. I found something at Home Depot I think I can use to reconnect these wires. I'm just going to overlap them a little bit like this. Here it is. It's called a terminal lug. It was $1.77. Let's see if it'll work. The screw tightens down on the hole, so we'll just put this in here like this. And put this one through. Tighten it up. I'm using lots of overlap here so it doesn't come apart. Okay, and you can see continuity would go to 0. I read on the internet that the normal reading for this is 10, so let's see what we have here. Perfect, 10 ohms. I'm going to cut some of this excess metal off here so it doesn't short out. I'm going to just cut the whole thing off. Okay. Put this back in there. Okay. We're gonna go with it. I'm just checking the top, looking for clearance here because I don't want this to ground out on this metal. And if you're at all worried about this kind of repair, just buy a new one. There for sale online, $20-ish. Okay, I'm just cooking up this last wire. Okay, let's see if it's getting warm here. Yes. Yes, okay, this is working now. That fixed it.